Hi, welcome to my best electric mug heaters review. Are you looking for the electric mug heaters? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top-rated electric mug heaters. In this video, we share top 5 electric mug heaters on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Bravo Line Coffee Mug Warmer with Automatic Shut-Off. There is nothing fancy about popping your coffee in the microwave every now and then. The Bravo Line Coffee Mug Warmer is designed to make your beverage piping hot, ensuring that you enjoy it to fullest. It keeps Java at the perfect temperature for as long as you take to drink it. It is a personal beverage warmer that makes a great addition to desks. This means it will always be there to not only warm your tea, coffee or beverage of your choice but also to ensure that it is at a constant temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The mug warmer is large, and, therefore, works with all possible mugs, feeding bottles, cups, and even paper boxes. It is 4 inches in diameter, which is way larger than the diameters of most models, which are mostly around 3 inches. With that said, go ahead and get it with confidence knowing that you will not be forced to buy a new mug. Bravo Coffee includes 2 free silicone lids on every purchase of this heater. The lids will prevent coffee from spilling and messing up your table, plus they play a huge role in preventing evaporation. Number 4. Nice Lucky Coffee Mug Warmer for Desk with Heating Function. Nice Lucky likes it when its customers get lucky with their purchases. That's why they offer amazing after-sale services like a 100% money-back guarantee that allows you to return their coffee mug warmer in the unlikely event that it fails to meet or exceed your expectations. The 100% money-back guarantee is effective for 30 days. Which is long enough to let you make up your mind on whether you want to keep it or not. Nevertheless, we do not think you will return this cup warmer because it has failed to exceed your expectations. This is because it is a well-built unit that is designed to deliver outstanding results every time it is used. It is made of durable and quality materials that make it more reliable. Number 3. Pro 5569 Decorative Cup Warmer. Pro was founded in 1973 by CEO Gunnar Life with a vision of supplying, manufacturing, and designing high-end kitchenware that exceeds customer expectations. Although it is younger than most companies that produce the same products, Pro is already one of the leading companies when it comes to producing innovative products. Its employees travel worldwide to study trends, and this enables the company to create cutting-edge products. In a nutshell, Pro knows what it takes to make customers happy. Their decorative cup warmer will not just keep your beverage warm or heat it up, but also it will complement the style of your table. Given that it is stylishly designed, the decorative cup warmer can be used in the office, dorm, travel or home. It can be used virtually anywhere, provided there is electric power nearby. Talking of power, this electric mug heater has a much higher power rating, 24 watts, that enables it to get the job done. Number 2. Whopping Coffee Mug Warmer and Cup Warmer. Most of us are skeptical about some products. But if you notice that some manufacturers stand behind theirs, then your confidence in spending money on those products rises in a snap. That's the same thing happening with this coffee mug and cup warmer. It is backed by a whopping 18-month warranty policy. Well, this comprehensive policy proves that Whopping stands behind the mug, cup warmer. Therefore, should it fail to meet expectations, the manufacturer will be more than happy to help you. Ideally, it is not just the company's support that makes this warmer one of the best on the market. It also boasts other features like 3 temperature settings and high-tech polyamide film. The 3 temperature settings allow this electric mug heater to slow down the cooling speed of a hot beverage. There is the tempering button, which, when touched, allows you to keep your beverage warm or warm it up to 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, or 65 degrees Celsius, 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The high-tech Pi film helps improve the reliability of this electric mug heater by making it resistant to both heat and fire. Number 1. COSORI Premium 24-watt Stainless Steel Coffee Mug Warmer. You will really melt the heart of your mom if you get her this electric mug heater. It is a great gift that offers a perfect way to keep beverages warm throughout the day. Well, it does not just make a perfect gift during Mother's Day, but also you can buy it on Valentine's Day for your wife or girlfriend, or for your dad on Father's Day. It gives you an opportunity to show you care for your loved ones. Since different cups conduct heat at different rates, depending on the design and the material, the manufacturer suggests that you use mugs made of steel and have thin flat bottoms. You can also consider placing a lid over your mug, as this has been proven to help retain heat. Ideally, this electric mug heater is incredibly easy to use. Simply turn it on and set the temperature by pressing the on/off buttons. You can also consider placing a lid over your mug, as this has been proven to help retain heat. Ideally, this electric mug heater is incredibly easy to use. Simply turn it on and set the temperature by pressing the on/off button. By so doing, you will be making the hot plate of this unit warm up to a suitable temperature. With this electric mug heater, you will be able to keep your drink warm or warm it up to 55 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Fahrenheit.
I should fuck her in the Benz.